What would you do if you found a mysterious red box under a tree?
Today's story is written for English beginners. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just listen, watch, and enjoy the story.
Your brain will naturally connect the words with the images and the situation.
After the story, you'll practice speaking with the powerful shadowing method. Ready? Let's begin.
Ali lives in a small town. Every morning, he walks to work.
One sunny day, something unusual happens.
He sees a small red box under a tree.
I needed to find it. I knew it was close. I just needed to look in the right place.
Nobody is there. The box looks old, but special.
Ali feels curious. He picks up the box.
It is very light. What is inside?
All day, Ali thinks about the red box. Finally, he arrives home. Slowly, he opens the box. Inside, there is a small silver key.
There is also a note. Come to the old park tomorrow at 9.
Ali cannot sleep that night.
The next morning, he runs to the old park. Near a big tree, he finds a blue box.
The silver key fits perfectly. Ali takes a deep breath. Then he opens the box. Inside, he finds many children's books. There is another note.
These books are for children who cannot buy books. Please help us share them.
Every child deserves a story. So that afternoon, Ali made sure the children of his town had books of their own.
The children are happy. Ali is happy too. He never learns who left the red box, but he never forgets the surprise.
Great job! You have finished the story. Now it's time to improve your speaking. Listen carefully, repeat after the speaker.
Ali lives in a small town. Ali lives in a small town.
One sunny day, something unusual happens. One sunny day, something unusual happens.
Great! He sees a small red box under a tree. He sees a small red box under a tree. Great!
The box looks old, but special. The box looks old, but special.
Excellent.
Inside, there is a small silver key. Inside, there is a small silver key.
Come to the old park tomorrow at 9. Come to the old park tomorrow at 9.
Inside, he finds many children's books. Inside, he finds many children's books.
Please help us share them. Please help us share them. But he never forgets the surprise. But he never forgets the surprise.
Fantastic! You listened, you understood, you spoke, and you completed today's English challenge. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next episode with a new story and a new English adventure. See you next time.